These are my homemade Ragi almond date energy balls, the same ones from my last video, and today I am giving them a flavor twist in 4 delicious coatings. Start with roasted sesame seeds, crushed pistachios and almonds, I kept ragi balls overnight so they have become a little dry. I am adding just a touch of ghee to bring back that shine and softness before rolling them. First, I'm using soft coconut flakes for a tropical finish. Second, crushed pistachio and almond mix, rich, colorful and packed with protein. Third, a light dusting of cacao powder for that deep chocolate energy. And finally, roasted sesame seeds for a nutty crunch. These Ragi almond date balls are part of my soulful kitchen creations made with pure wholesome ingredients and no refined sugar.